So we got country instruments, boots. Gotta be the biggest boots I've ever seen. And we got country music playing. As we are in the county fair building. It's actually a really nice, like, picnic area.
Wait, is it going?
It's going.
That's the TV, and that is the wall and stuff, and this is the bathroom. Shower goes on and off. Door shut. We turned off the lights on, you can see that. This shuts. Ah. Wait, yeah, I think. Yeah. And this shuts. What happened?
It's still going. The screen just turned off.
Okay, and
We can talk about it.
this.
A Murphy bed.
This is a Murphy bed. Can we unfold it?
Finger.
You need to move the chairs. You can see my dad's helping me. This is gonna be hard, Dad. Okay, you get that side, I get this side. Hey, we got the ducks. Bracken really wants to go to the football field. Oh, here are the pillows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Phone. Lights. And TV. I should be. That's folding around.
Alright, what else do you want to show them? Or is that it?
That's it.
Alright.
But this is our kit. Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Alright. This is All-Star Music. Our last value resort that we haven't stayed at. So we are staying in Building 5, County Fair. There's like big boots out there and it's kind of fair themed. Pretty cool. Here is the look of the room. Just the entryway. It's, you know, it's kind of standard value resort layout. It is the newly remodeled rooms. So this is kind of like how Pop Century is, but it was like super value resort price. So here is the cooler, since it's not called a fridge anymore. We got coffee, ice bucket. Here's kind of your, what do you call this? Dresser area.
Yeah.
You got a safe, some extra linens,
Bible?
pull out drawers.
You always gotta check if there's more.
Got a Bible. Here is the bathroom. Yeah, it's got a sink, ironing board, closet area, bathroom. Here is the bathtub and shower. And it's the stickers that's placed over the H2O.
Through the doors.
Oh yeah. It's kind of like their almost pocket door setup.
Through the other door.
Yep, and we'll do this liner. You want to model it for them? I'll show them how it works. Yep, there's that one. And you have the artwork, and here is the Murphy bed. Think you can pull it down?
Yeah.
How about I help you? Alright, watch your fingers. There you go. Who's that? You know those guys' names? It's at the top. Huey.
Wait, Huey. What does it say on that?
At the top it says theater. Huey.
Huey, Dewey, Louie.
There you go. And we've got this new Disney Alexa thing that you can tell it to do stuff. Pretty neat. Not much to the room tour. Hopefully we'll get some time to explore outside and look at the lobby and food court and stuff, but we just got here from our Universal stay. So we are excited to start our Disney portion. Anywho, thanks for watching.
Bye.
All Stars Music. Yeah, it's our last value resort we haven't stayed at. And we are in the county fair section. And I think this is the best All Stars resort area that we've ever been to. It's a really cool theme. Like, as this area is like a big picnic area, and it's all fenced in. Like in the evening they play country music, which is kind of cool. It's kind of what we're used to at home, and it's just really nice. It's nice, really nice shade, kind of cool theming. It reminds me of like Fort Wilderness a little bit. It's a little loud right now because they're power washing the building, but it's a really cool area. Like, this might be my favorite value resort area out of all of them as far as All Stars go. You know, Pop's really cool and art animation, but this is really like laid back. Right now there's not like a whole lot of people here. It's a little bit far from the lobby, but it's nicely themed. It was unexpected. Like, they've got cool cacti plants everywhere, and it's neat. Really like it. Hope to see you on the next one. See ya.